Okay, start.
Hello everyone, hope well. Today in this video, I'll show you actually how can we a custom audience create. So what is custom audience? Today in this video, I'll show you actually Facebook as custom audience create. So also if you need for another video, you can see, and this one is my live Facebook Meta catalog as run. If you want to learn, you can show that, no issue. So let's go. We are going to the ads manager. So right now we will create actually one condition like how many people come here in my site and check out but not purchase. This type of people will make a custom audience. Then we will run the retargeting ads. Okay. So let's see. At first you can see the create audience and just click the create audience. You can see three type audience is available there. First one is custom audience, second one is lookalike, third one is save audience. So today in this video, I will say I will show you the custom audience. So right now we will talk about custom audience. So when you see the custom audience, then you can see the many sources like meta source and your source. Like if you have a Facebook pixel setup, then you can track your customer data and easily to find out in your website. So right now we will see actually how to website to create customer audience. So you can see when I click this, you can see the many option. So actually, if you have a in your website is 2 or 3 pixel, you can see is available. So you need to the select right pixel. So this one is my name. So I'm just select it. So which event? So our right now condition is how many people come here and click on the checkout but not purchase. Okay. So you can see events. Then I will select in the initial checkout. So you can see standard all event is show if you have a properly set up your pixel tracking and all event, then you can see, otherwise you not see this type of events. Okay. So already we have this all events. So right now my condition is checkout. So I'm just checkout. So also I say how many people come here, click checkout, but not purchase. So we will exclude this type of people like come here but not purchase. So we can see the two condition. One is the and condition, second one is the or condition. So our need to the exclude people who meet any of the following on criteria. Like I'm select first of all my pixel and I'm select in the purchase. Okay, so how many data we will receive and track right now, and how many days audience retention for create. So if you want, you can maximize in 365 days, and as you reach in the minimum. You can, if you want to, you can create a 7 days, 10 days, 15 days. You can do this, no issue. So actually, I need to the 30 days data. So I'm just selecting the audience retention is 30 days, and I'm exclude in the passes in the 30 days. Okay. So right now we will make an audience name, unique audience name. So I'm just this rename is checkout, but not passes. Okay. So I select this. If I just create audience, hopefully it will be automatically create. When you create, you can see the next step. If you want, you need to the lookalike audience, you can create lookalike audience. If you want to directly create an ads, you can create ads. And if you don't need this, you just click it done. Yes, okay. Right now you can see your audience is populating. Okay. So when you receive in the 100 user is available, then you can see the size. Otherwise, you can see the value under 1000 audience. So that's it. Thank you so much. So if you need any help or if you need any service, you can feel free contact with me, my WhatsApp. If you just click there, hopefully you can see. And thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. See you in another video. Bye bye.